quick update. So after looking at the playfield, I discovered a couple of things. One, I had the white-brown row. I had it off by one in the connector. Actually, it was on the opposite side. Once I repinned that, all of that row started working. So I got all of those. Now the main thing I'm missing are a few things I'm missing. I'm missing the out hole, and I'm missing the upper, middle, and lower ramp, which come from this connector right here. And if you see, it flows down into, for whatever reason, this jumper plate. I don't know what else to call it, where you see the actual green-yellow column, and then you get your white-violet, white-gray, and white-blue, white-blue, white-violet, and white-gray rows connect up to that plate and then connect to this connector. Now, this connector should go to a connector on this side, however it's been cut off. So that's why those weren't working. If you test against this plate here, they'll connect, they'll work. So replace that connector, maybe give it a little bit of extra line or extra wire so that it can make it over here without too much tension, and that'll fix that. And that basically gets us to a fully functioning switch matrix. So it's looking pretty good. There are a couple of places, for example, I found a cut down here. You can see that I spliced this wire just with rolling it up. That's not a good connection, so I'm going to have to resolder that. And somebody removed an entire switch down here, so I spliced that connector there. Aside from that, the only other thing is the out hole, and it is probably just a broken switch. So I'll replace the physical switch, check the wiring leading up to it, and that's how you basically repair, diagnose and repair problems with your switch matrix.